Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you know, I'm trying to show you guys a tutorial on the video how I set the wiper on automatic setting. And right here I'm trying to show you guys it is on automatic, and once it's in automatic you cannot change the speed or anything like that. It automatically sense the rain, if it's raining hard or raining light. Right now it's raining lightly, so it's just wiping normally. So once you get the rain more heavier or harder, and then the speed will change by itself. So as you can see, I'm trying to focus on this wiper speed mode. It is off, and now it's on auto. Right now it's on automatic, so it cannot change any speed at all. Okay, so we're driving on the freeway, and it was just sprinkling, raining, and if it's sprinkling lightly, it's not gonna come on. Okay, so as you can see right now, it is raining hard, so it's going faster. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Peace.